Hi guys, welcome back to Sweetbell Cuisine and Lifestyle. To the returning subscribers, thank you for your love. To those just stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share. Today we'll be making another healthy snack with just 3 ingredients: bananas, cinnamon and oats. If you have bananas in your kitchen that are like very ripe and you're wondering what to do with them, stick around. Let's make this recipe together. Let's start the process. So here I have rolled oats, bananas and cinnamon. But if you don't have cinnamon, you can also use nutmeg, or you can just do the oats and bananas without any spice. So first we'll peel the bananas and then we'll match the bananas. Here I am using my potato matcher, but you can also use fork. I find it quite easier and quicker to use a matcher. That's why I'm using it. But you get the same result either way, fork, spoon or potato matcher. So the bananas are ready. Next we add the oats. Here I measured out 2 cups of raw oats. But you can also use the smooth oats if you don't have this one, like the one that is smoother than this raw oat. If that's what you have available, you mix and then add a dash of cinnamon or your nutmeg and stir or combine the ingredients together. If you find out that the mixture is too hard, then you will need to add more bananas. Another option as well is for you to add desiccated coconut. But I do not want to add desiccated coconut to this. So now I'm done mixing. So I am done mixing at this point. I have an already prepared oven tray with baking mat. So what we're going to do next is for us to spoon the mixture into desired shape onto the tray. This cookie wouldn't spread out while it's baking, so there will be no need for us to leave too much of space in between the cookie on the tray. Okay guys, at this point we want to bring out this. Yeah, it's ready. Yummy. This is ready. So guys, banana and oatmeal cookies is ready. It smells so yummy. See guys, it's very crispy on the outside, but yummy, very soft on the inside. See, all the goodness of banana, taste and all, yummy.